I'm not sure exactly how much gas I got left, so I may run out in the middle of this thing. I've already made 2 cuts. All right, guys, that's real time. That's like I said, like 11 inches, a little over 11 inches. I'm actually getting cut. You can sure tell where the knot was at right here. On this side, there's a knot right here, and then there's one right here. And you can see whenever I hit those areas, it really slowed down a lot, and I had to go back. But hey, that's not bad. What did it's like 7 minutes, less than 7 minutes. I got that cut 11 inches deep. I don't think that's too bad. And the reason why I'm gonna start cutting them all at 3 1/4 is because by the time I level the left side and level the right side and get everything sanded down, it'll probably be, it'll take off a good chunk. And I don't know how well you can tell this or not, but it looks like it's a little wider on one end than it is the other, and I tried to keep it as level as I could. I've got a bunch of scrap 2x4s, and I'm just using them as sacrifice pieces to get me level. I just been cutting them off as I go, just making sure I don't have any screws in my way. But hey, I thought that was kind of neat. And that's 3 cuts, and I'm still on the first tank of gas. Now, before I make my next one, I'm going to go ahead and fill it up with gas, just because I have a good feeling that it's got to be getting real low. But 7 minutes, 6 foot long, 11 and a half inches deep, 11 inches deep, whatever I said it was. That's not too shabby. Well, y'all have a good day, and thank you so much for checking in with me.